Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation, welcome to another episode of Learn Zulu Every Day. Today we're going to quickly go over the material I explained yesterday. If you haven't seen that episode, go and check that out first. So just quickly, I'll be Sipho, you be Haley. We'll just go through this dialogue style and then we'll explain some more when we get to what we haven't covered. So, sawubona sisi. You say, yebo, sawubona buti. How are you? Unjani? I say, ngiyaphila sisi. Wena unjani namhlanje? How are you today? And you say, I'm also well. Buti. Brother, bro, brew. Not quite brew. It's more formal. Nami, me too. Ngiyaphila buti. You ask me, what's my name? Ngubani igama lakho? I say, hi, igama lami ngingusipho. Ngubani, what is igama lakho, sisi? You say, igama lami nguHaley. Oh, ngiyabona, Haley. Okay, ngiyabona. Cool. Manje uqhamukaphi? There are many words for this. Where do you come from? Uqhamukaphi, uvelaphi, uphumaphi, udabukaphi. All meaning where do you come from. You might hear one of those other ones in conversation. Cool. So you say you come from America, from America. You say, hi, mina ngiqhamuka America. Nawe uqhamukaphi? Where do I come from? Mina ngiqhamuka Empangeni. NgingumZulu phaqa. You can say I'm a real Zulu. NgingumZulu phaqa. I ask you, where are you living now in Durban? Uhlalaphi eThekwini? You say, mina ngihlala, I live KwaMasqa. Wena uhlalaphi? Mina ngihlala eBonela. Okay, I stay in Bonela. Oh, ngiyabona buti. Oh, ngiyabona. Okay, cool. Now, I'll ask you, what are you doing in South Africa? Manje, wenzani? What are you doing eNingizimu, in South Africa? Sisi. Wenzani? Wenzani is used as well. Yeah, wenzani. What are you doing in this context? Wenzani. What are you doing in South Africa? And you say, hi, ngiyafunda. Ngifunda SIT, ngifunda politics. So whatever you do, just you can substitute that thing. So ngiyafundisa, I teach. Whatever you want to say, ngingumeli, I'm a lawyer. Ngisebenza, I work. Ngisebenza somewhere, I work. Unilever, whatever you like to say. So your line, hi, ngiyafunda. Ngifunda SIT, ngifunda politics. Wena usafunda? You asking me, and you, are you still studying? Wena usafunda? And I say, yebo. Mina ngisafunda ilo UKZN. So I'm studying law at UKZN. Oh, okay, you say. And then a massive cha, ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Okay, happy to meet you. But this big cha literally means no, but it's also used as like a little filler. It confuses me a lot. Like, I don't know, people saying no or what's happening. So I just add these things in to get you used to how different things are used. So cha ngiyajabula, I'm happy, ukukwazi, to know you, literally meaning pleased to meet you. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi bhuti. Hamba kahle. Go well. And I say, nami, me too. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Happy to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Usale kahle, sisi. Hamba kahle. Go well. Sala kahle or usale kahle. You go well. Usale kahle. Hamba kahle. Uhambe kahle. Sala kahle. Just variations. Hamba kahle. Uhambe kahle. Sala kahle. Usala kahle. Same thing. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafundi. Salani kahle. Please like and subscribe. I also do English to Zulu, Zulu to English translations. If you know anybody that needs. Cool. Bye bye.